Not completed. File handling. Advanced Python, first one, exception handling. Second topic, logging module. Third one, assertion. Fourth one, file handling. Sir, any programming language, there are two types of storages are there. One is temporary storage. Second one is permanent storage. Temporary storage means up to now whatever data types we discussed, those are list kani, tuple kani, dictionary set, all data types, fundamental collection data types are called as temporary. Because once program execution done, data is not available. For example, I have to declare L equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. You can print L or you can use L. Am I stored anywhere in this L permanently? No, that is called as temporary storage. All data types are coming to the temporary storage only. Now the concept is for future purpose, I want to store the data. Suppose I want to store all the student information, student number, student name, student mobile number. Because in upcoming days, if any new batches will be started, I will send some message. For that, I want to store your data for future purpose. And if I store your data into the dictionary format, until program exit is available, after that data is not there, gone. That's why permanent storage means there are multiple ways are there. Files, Excel files. Suppose this file is there, I'm using some character data, sir. This is called as text files. Sir, in the text files, I want to write some Python notes, programs, everything okay. In this text file, can I store all your data? Until like in this text file, I can maintain first student number, student name, email ID, contact number. Now, can I store in the text file data? Is it meaningful? Okay, if you store, data is available. Next time, if you open the file, it is not coming exact format. Hmm. Student number, name, account, mail ID, phone number, gajibiju gandargolam. It's not coming proper format. So student details means best thing is Excel file. In Excel file, columns are there, cells are there, rows and columns. I can maintain the student details. Text file means generally we can use our character data if I want to store, then that is called as a text files. So in permanent storage, the first concept is files, sir. Sir, files means Excel file, text file, binary file, any file we can use. Okay. Sir, if you want to store the 100 students details, Excel file is okay. Fine. Throughout Hyderabad, 10th class students, how many are there? Intermediate students, how many are there? Engineering students, how many are there? Those details I want to maintain entire Telangana state, not only Hyderabad. Can I store in Excel file? No. Excel file, okay, you can maintain, but it's not good. If anyone deleted my Excel file, total data will be gone. Suppose you are given your laptop to me. I am asking for your half an hour work is there. Can you please give your laptop? I select the Excel file, delete. Gone. Data, total data. So that's why securities I want to store next level is that is what it is database. In the database I want to store permanently. I can provide security and I want to read the data also. In Telangana state, so many districts are there. So suppose in that so many lakhs of people are there. I want to select only Hyderabad student details. Simple, I can write some command in Oracle. Select star from so and so table where students are in Hyderabad. But only Hyderabad data will come. Such a type of facility is there that is called as a database. Sometimes in Oracle MySQL is also not supported a large amount of data. Then we go to the big data like Hadoop. Hadoop, data warehousing, those are available there. So that is step by step we need to go to this. First one is the concept is files to store the permanent. In the files again, two categories are there. One is text files. Second one is binary files. Third one is CSV files. Text files means this one, normal text .txt format available there. Binary file is nothing but we need to store images, audio files, video files, .png, JPG format. Those are called as binary files. CSV files, comma separated values, just like in the Excel file format, data will be stored. So three types of files are there: text files, binary files, and CSV files are there. The first concept is text files. So if you want to store data to the file means compulsory. Yesterday we are telling we have to open one file. In yesterday programming, logging module contains one function basic config to open the file. Now in the files, if I want to open file, there is one command is there. What is the command? Open. It contains two arguments. One is file name, second one is mode. Give one reference, F. Now my file is ready. This file is pointing to one reference variable, that is F. So F is pointing to file. If you want to read the data, delete data, adding everything by using F reference, you can do that one. So open is the command. First argument file name, any name we can give, extension is txt. అదే CSV file అయితే different extension. Images is the .png, JPG. Based on type of file, you can give your extension. Second argument is what it is? Mode. So what is the meaning of that mode? అంటే ఫైల్ మోడ్, విచ్ పర్పస్ యువర్ ఓపెనింగ్ ఫైల్, రీడింగ్ పర్పసా, writing purpose, updation purpose, these type of features are there. Suppose I'm using R mode, it is accepted only reading purpose. You are not able to writing and updation, not possible. W meant for writing purpose, A meant for appending. Like that, some 6 to 7 modes are there that you have to mention into this mode. File name, what is our file name? ABC na, student, employee na, that file name we can provide it. That is called as basic text files. That is open command, file name, mode. Which type of modes are there? 7 or 8 modes are available there. One by one we will see. So first one, file handling. As part of the programming requirement, we have to store permanently for future purpose. For this requirement, we should go for files, sir. We should go for files. Types of files. Text files means generally we can store character data. Then we should go for text files. CSV. Logging module program attributor is coming on input login. You can contact the online admins, share your system. They will see that they will give the solution for your error, Monica. Online mentors are there, lab mentors. Okay. Usually we can use text files to store characters data. To store the characters data. Opening a file. How to open a file, sir? How to open a file? Before performing any operation like read or write on the file, first we have to open that file, sir. For this, we should use inbuilt function open. At the time of open, we have to specify the mode which represents the purpose of opening a file. F equal to open file name mode. The allowed modes in Python are first ones are R meant for reading purpose. We are opening the file. This is the by default mode. When I open this file, the file pointer to the starting position. Ante, whenever a file is there, when I opened in the read mode, the file pointer goes to the starting position. So starting to, it is reading the data. Here one important thing is, whenever open the file, compulsory, it should be available into the current working directory. For example, sir, in my D Mahesh classes, there is one file is there, abc.txt file is there, check it. I want to open this file, I want to read the content, okay, go to the test, f equal to open file. What is the file name? abc.txt, comma, which mode I want to open? R mode. So the file is available. Okay, no problem. I'm not getting anything. Program executed successfully. For example, at the time of read mode, if the file is not available in your system, the file is I can provide sunny.txt. In this current working directory with the Sunny, there is no file. If the file is not available, but you have to open with read mode, then we are getting error. Runtime error is there. What it is? File not found. And which file you are trying to open, that file is not available. Such type of error is called as file not found error. So read mode means compulsory file should be available. Then only you have to try to open. If the file is not available, don't open that. That is the first mode. Which mode? R. R meant for open an existing file for read operations. The file pointer position at the beginning of the file. Open existing file for read operations. The file pointer positioned at the beginning of the file. The specified file does not exist. Then we will get which error? File not found error. This is the default mode. That is the first one, R. Second one, W, sir. So W meant for we are opening file for writing purpose, write operations. W meant for writing purpose. Here the thing is, for example, if already file is available, ABC contains some data. If you open W mode means the existing data will be gone, only new data is available there. Chudandi, already in ABC, some data is there. I try to open in W mode, the data will be gone. I want to treat ABC with a W mode. So existing data will be overridden. Now open this file, ABC, data gone empty. That is the W purpose. Sir, file is not available. For example, I'm given sunny.txt with W mode. If file is not there, no problem. It will create the new file. Go to there, idigondi. Sunny.txt today date created one empty file. Tomorrow, if you want to write, you can write that data. So read mode, we are getting error if I am not providing any data, but W mode, we are not getting anything. It is created the file. If already file is available, old data will be gone. Such a type of mode is nothing but which mode? W. If the file already available some data, then it will be overridden. If the specified file is not already available, then this mode create the file. Next, appending. Then old data is available, new data will be added. W mode, old data will be gone, overridden. Now it is not overridden, it will be appending. If for append purpose. How to write new data into file. Wait, I will give examples. Open an existing file for append operations. Ante adding data. Old data is available, new data also added to existing data, it does not overridden. It won't override existing data. Suppose if the specified file is not available, then what will happen? Am I getting error? Is it created a file? We are getting error. See this? He is telling create file. Sir, చూడండి simple example, we will get clarity. ABC is available there. Okay, first open this one with append mode. I'm not getting any error because file is there. abc.txt with a mode. File available. I'm not getting any error. If you want to write, you can write the data. You want execution, done. Suppose in this Sunny, I just now deleted, Sunny is not there. I'm trying to open that file with append mode. Then what will happen? You can check, am I getting error or creating the file? Am I getting error or it will create a error? Am I getting any error? No. Go to there. Check this. Sunny.txt. Created, not created? Created. So you're not getting any error, sir. It will create the file only. If the specified file is not available, then this mode will create a new file. That is the RWA. R means only reading, W means only writing, A means only appending. But sometimes I want to do both operations. Reading, after that writing the data. Or else first I have to write, after that reading. Or else I want to read and appending. Two operations I want to combine. Then one more three modes are there. R plus reading and writing the data. First I'm reading, after that we have to write the data to the file. It is to read and write data into file. The previous data in the file will not be deleted. The file pointer is placed at the beginning of the file. Same W plus. Writing and reading. First we have to do writing. Data will be gone. Old data. Because first I'm doing writing operation. Notes ledu. To write and read the data, it will override existing data. A plus. Append and reading. It won't override. Data spelling mistake. ఇక్కడ కూడా స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఉందా? To append and read the data from the file. It won't override existing data. That is the modes, sir. R, W, A, R plus, W plus, A plus. Oh, last one more is there, X. X means very good. X means X. ఏమర్థమైంది నీకు? నవ్వుకుంటాను తెగ. సార్ చూడండి, ఇందాక ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ మోడ్, ఇంకోండి, ఇఫ్ ఆర్ మోడ్ open an existing file for reading purpose. If it is not there, we are getting error. Ent error? File not found. X mode completely different. Ante X is for exclusively for writing purpose only. But here problem is, if already with this name file is available there, you will get file existing error. Ante file should not be. Ante up to now, if I open files are in the file, Sunny delete chesama. Deleted. ABC is there. ABC is available, not available? Available. If I open this ABC file, ABC with read mode, am I getting any error? No. W mode? No. Append mode? No. But you open exclusively writing purpose, you will get error. What is the error? File existing error. Ante whatever file you want to get, that name should not be available in your file system. Completely reverse process it is a. Ingondi, am I getting error or not? Which error? File exist. Adi with name of Sunny, no file. Then you can give Sunny name. It will create with the file with the name of Sunny. That is the exclusively writing purpose. Go to there. top, bottom, ఇదిగోండి. So అన్ని created. That is so read mode file available, file not available, you will get file not found. ఇక్కడ file available, file existing error we will get. To open a file in exclusive creating mode for write operation. If the file already exists, then we will get this error. File exist error we are getting. Previously file not found error. Now file exist error. So Ravi, the modes which are available into file handling. But all these file no, are for text files. And if the file is binary file, then text files give extensions mode. If the file is binary file, then what to do? All the above modes are applicable for text files. If the above mode suffixed with B letter, then these represents for binary file. Okay. R with B, reading with binary, W with B, append with binary, R plus with B, W plus with B, A plus with B, XB. Once all operations completed, compulsory have to close the file. Closing a file. After all operations, compulsory have to close the file. F dot close. Open ki how open command is there? Close ki how to use close command. Have anyone tried yesterday patterns? 321, 321, 321. Intelligence. 321 CBA అన్న కదా. I I will explain. Wait, just today I'm telling theoretically. Upcoming programs will be there. Then you will get clarity. So now my pattern is, so SD patterns, you can try it, the 321, 321, 321, CBA, CBA, CBA patterns. Now patterns are right angle triangle patterns. For example, I'm given n value 3, example, I'm given n equal to 3. 3 rows I can require. First row, single star, second row, 2 stars, third row, 3 stars. If I'm given 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right angle triangle format I want to print. That is the program. Sir, here 3 rows are there, 3 columns are there. Every column symbol changes, not changes. Not changes. Only star only available there. So how many loops are required? Single for loop is enough, sir. Now I want to go with print, sorry, print and input, input, enter n value. I provided some value, convert into integer, sir. Assume that my n value is 3, sir. So one for loop is enough, I in range of n. What is the I values? 0, comma 1, comma 2. I want to print, what can I print? Star with some space, star, repetition operator. First time, what is I value? 0. But how many stars required? 1. Next I value 1. 2 stars required. Next I value 2, 3 stars. Can I go with I plus 1? Because first time I pointing to 0, 0 plus 1 means 1, 1 star will be printed. It will goes to the next line. I will become 1, 1 plus 1 means 2, 2 stars will be printed. It will goes to next line. I value 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 stars will be printed there. Save it, run this. Getting right angle triangle? Yes, that is the way. Next to numbers. Next to numbers, sir. 1, 2, 3. So here also every column symbol does not changes. So here first time, sir, I value is 0, but I want to print 1. If I is 1, I want to print 2. So what I was doing is, instead of star, str of, can I go with I plus 1? With one space. This total thing you can repeat. I value 0, 0 plus 1, 1. It is the string 1 plus a space, total string repeated one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are converted to string, otherwise it is integer. Multiplication will be happened. First row A, second row B, third row C, like that I want to print. Then we go with CHR, character. A number 65, 66, 67. I value first 0, 1, 2. So I go with CHR of 65 plus I. I value 0, 65 plus 0, 65. A will come. 65 plus 1, 66. B. 65 plus 2, 67. C. A to Z. The remaining programs you can try. I will give patterns. A, B, C. One, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 you can print. A, A, B, A, B, C. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A, B, A, B, C. In all these, two loops are mandatory because every column symbol will be changes. Two are mandatory, sir. Next. గీలేదు 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. You are practicing purpose. If you are interested, you can practice. Otherwise, చూడదు. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. This one completed this program. Sorry, take that examples. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. A, B, A, B, C. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. C, C, B, C, B, A. C, C, B. Next letter C, B, A. Bus. If you're interested, anyone try this one. Reverse చేయండి సార్ triangle ni star 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 like this. మీకు వద్దులే నేను చెప్తలే కానీ అవి ట్రై చేయండి చాలులే. ఆ ప్రీవియస్ వరకు యూ కెన్ ట్రై. So tomorrow enjoy. Monday we will continue the session.